Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we'll be making Hondo Hattie's Jungle Punch, adapting Smugglers Cove's recipe with some tweaks. It's meant to simulate the green water from Disney's Jungle Cruise attraction, which is why it looks like swamp juice, and could easily be used for a punch bowl at a Halloween or Christmas party. So save this one for later. They say no garnish, but adding a drink umbrella is pretty low effort to raise the level of fun the drink presents. For ingredients, you'll need blended aged rum. Appleton or Dorado 12 is safe here, but I rarely reach for the Planteray, so why not have some Barbados rum in the mix. Pear liqueur, extra fun if the bottle is pear-shaped. Blue curacao, mostly here for color, but it will add some orange sweetness. Angostura bitters, a little goes a long way. Tawny port, it'll add some color and stone fruit flavor. Falernum, original recipe calls for velvet falernum, which is clear, but we want the green color anyway, so I've made my own. See recipe here. Honey syrup, they call for 1:1 honey syrup, but 3:1 lasts way longer, so that's what I've made here. And lastly, fresh lemon juice. I promise you the juice is still good. I filmed this some time ago and I'm still alive. The amount of ingredients is probably unnecessary, but you can scale it for a punch bowl, which makes the labor a bit easier to justify. Gather all of your ingredients and let's get to it. Starting off, grab your bar mat, shaker tin, jigger, and measure a 1/4 ounce of rich honey syrup, or a 1/2 ounce of 1:1. One dash of angostura, a 1/4 ounce of blue curacao, a 1/4 ounce of pear liqueur, a 1/4 ounce of tawny port, one ounce of fresh-ish lemon juice, half ounce of falernum, and 2 ounces of blended aged rum. Add ice, seal and shake, fill a punch glass with ice, and strain that cocktail into your fun glass. And there you have Hondo Hattie's Jungle Punch. For flavors, there's almond, cloves, and lime from the falernum. The lemon juice brings an additional citrus pop. There's layered sweetness from all the various liqueurs, balanced by the citrus and complemented by stone fruit flavors brought forth by the cognac and port. I don't love the color, but it could end up in the Christmas rotation as part of a Grinch theme, or used at a Shrek party when I'm inevitably invited to one. Thanks everyone for watching. Do you have a favorite party punch? Let me know down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, hit that like button, press subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.